Hey guys, my name is Anna Catherine Peel and I'm a 3rd grade teacher in the Gulfport School District at Pastoral Elementary School. Today we're going to be working on standard 3.OA.7. 3.OA.7 covers all of multiplication, but I specifically want to look at multiplying by tens. In our first slide, you have all of these problems multiplying by 10 and they're blank. So I'm going to give you 2 minutes and I want you to go ahead and give me your best effort and answer these questions. Go ahead and start. All right, time is up. We're going to go ahead and go over the answers. 10 times 1 equals 10. 5 times 10 equals 50. 9 times 10 equals 90. 6 times 10 equals 60. 10 times 10 equals 100. 10 times 4 equals 40. 8 times 10 equals 80. 10 times 7 equals 70. 2 times 10 equals 20. And 3 times 10 equals 30. So if you'll go ahead and check those answers, I'm going to leave it up on the screen, and you're welcome to pause the screen at this time. Not, we're going to keep on going. So if you came across some of these problems and you were like, ooh, that was tricky, there's a couple of different strategies you can use to help solve these problems, even if you don't know it off the top of your head. The first is by placing them into equal groups. The multiplication sign literally means groups of. So when it says 3 times 10, I want you to think 3 groups of 10. So I literally drew 3 circles and I put 10 stars in each. Let's count. We're going to count by tens in this case. 10, 20, 30. So 3 times 10 equals 30. The next problem is 10 times 4, and we can do this as an array. We have rows and columns. Rows go side to side, columns go up and down. So I have 10 groups of 4. So I have 10 rows and 4 columns. And once again, I'm going to count by tens. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40. So 10 times 4 equals 40. In our next problem, we have a number line. So we have 9 groups of 10. We're going to count by 10 9 times. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 9 bumps, starting at 0. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're going to count by 10. So we have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 9 times 10 is 90. So last but not least, we have repeated addition as a strategy, and we literally have 10 times 7, or 10 groups of 7. So I'm going to add 7 together 10 times. So 7 plus 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 7. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need 2 more. Plus 7 plus 7. And when I add 7 together 10 times, I get 70. So 10 times 7 is 70. If you are ever stuck on your tens, you can just count by tens, and that's my trick. You can put your fingers up if you're going to count, say, 8 times. Go ahead and put 8 fingers up, and every time you count by 10, put a finger down. So you have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So 10 times 8 would be 80.